Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are here to talk about the new First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Let's talk a little bit about skincare today for a change. If you like my content, if you like this kind of video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell button so you will be notified whenever I post a new video every single week. On my skin today, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless powder, which I also have a review for. This is a lip gradient style kind of lipstick, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip stains in the shade Dusty Rose. This is a new shade. I have a full review and lip swatches of all of these. So please make sure to check that out because it's a little bit tricky to use if you don't know how to use this kind of a lip stain product. But regardless, I love this look. I have been using this for 3 weeks now. I have a verdict to tell you. So first of all, let's get onto Sephora website and we will read a little bit of the information about this product. It's retailing for $42 US for a 1.7 fluid ounce jar, which is the 50 ml, which is a very nice price for the amount of products you have. It has a 5 out of 5 star rating on Sephora, which is really amazing considering there are 221 people. This is a luxurious moisturizer that hydrates and helps visibly firm skin. So there are two claims. One is supposed to be hydrating. Two is supposed to firm your skin up. I don't know if that's correct English, but you know what I mean. It's supposed to target fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and loss of firmness and elasticity. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, and come in recyclable packaging. Oh my god, that's amazing. This cream is packed with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide to help support and smooth the skin, making it visibly bouncy, healthy, and youthful, while diminishing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So, collagen supports skin texture, structure, density, and overall appearance. Peptides help smooth out the skin and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And niacinamide helps the skin appear more bouncy and improve texture and the skin tone. So far, so good. Now, with skincare, 3-4 weeks is not really enough time to see the result. Usually you kind of need to wait at least 3 months to kind of see the results, but with this I have to say I see the results immediately after my first use. So first of all, it comes in a jar like this. I do not like the fact that it's just open to the air like this because I don't know, depends on what kind of skincare property it has. It might go away through time if you keep exposing it to air every time you use it like this. The texture is a white, thick cream. It doesn't really have any scent to it, which is a plus. There's no fragrance. It looks a little bit whipped. If you are familiar with the whip moisturizer from Drunk Elephant, this really reminds me of that formula. And when you blend it out, it's very, very easy to blend, and a little bit goes a long way, as you can see here. It does leave a little bit of a layer on your face, nothing crazy or intense, but you can see the glow it gives compared to this one doesn't have anything on. This one is a little bit more dewy. It does absorb into the skin like 95% though, so it's rarely any residue onto your skin. So hydrate, check. Actually, for the first 2 weeks, I use it by itself with nothing else because I want to see what it does by itself. You know what I mean? Like if it breaks me out, no, it doesn't break me out at all, which is a great thing. Sometimes my skin doesn't agree with skincare products. And the magical thing is that the next morning, okay, not right away, but the next morning, the skin is firmer. You can't really see in camera, but because it's my face, I know. It does visibly firms my skin up and everything looked a little bit tighter, snatch, and the lines are reduced. They really reduced my smile line and my wrinkle on my forehead. They are not as visible, and they are not like collecting makeup like foundation throughout the day like usual. So I do think this moisturizer works really well, and it does everything it claims to do. It is the sister product to the Ultra Repair Cream. I have a huge jar right here. This one is a very straightforward moisturizer. The formula is a little bit, I wouldn't say it's thicker, it's very similar in texture. It's just a little bit harder to blend out, so I guess in a way it's thicker. And I never used the Ultra Repair Cream under makeup before, so I don't know. But the Firming Collagen Cream applied beautifully underneath makeup. It doesn't bunch up weirdly. It doesn't make me oily either. It's not a kind of moisturizer that after you wear it for a few hours, you will get super oily. Not oily, but like very dewy. This is not the case. It just kind of absorbs into your skin and makes it look like you have normal skin, not oily, not dry, just like normal skin. And it does have a tiny bit of a glow, but I wouldn't say it's dewiness, it's just a glow. By the way, the expiration date is 12 months and it's made in USA. Direction is applied to face and the neck daily in the morning and at night. You can use it alone or over a serum, or basically your skincare routine. I would say if you have oily skin, you would like this too. Or it's not like a oil infused kind of a moisturizer, not like the Tatcha Night Concentrate where it's like super dewy. I have a review of that product. I'll link it up here and down below. It's not like the Drunk Elephant Proteiny moisturizer either. That one is a lot thicker and it's more for dry skin. When you have like super dry skin, that one will be good. If skincare products, if makeup products break you out easily, First Aid Beauty, I'm telling you, is the brand to go. They are very straightforward, very soothing. The ingredients are pretty mild and sensitive skin friendly. As I expected, it performs well. This one is very basic. It's for days when my skin is freaking out and I don't know what to use. I would use this one. I highly recommend you check it out. The price is right. The ingredients is great. It does exactly what it claims to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section below. What is your skincare routine? Have you tried this product before? And do you have the same opinion as me about it? Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button, and have a great one. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.